registered email or verified email, whatever, and password that was authorized by the super admin, authorized by the super admin, so that uh, I can like manage my seller portal, right? So you have to like give the what is the outcome. And prerequisite is sign up for seller portal, valid info, account approval by super admin. Yep. Get an existing account to use as seller portal. Get an existing account.
Yeah, so you can sign up, but I had an existing account. I used that. I used
Okay.
yours.
Mm-hmm.
So I put that as a prerequisite.
Okay. Acceptance criteria, I should be on the seller portal, input my seller email, input my password, click on the login button. Acceptance criteria. Okay, acceptance criteria, like you if you follow the uh like scenario base, then you can follow the given when those keyword, then you should use those
Yeah, I
keyword.
purposely didn't use that
But
one.
if you don't follow that, then you can just instead of giving the directly like the steps, you just say that okay, you need the like the email address, which one is registered, then you cannot like give the wrong email and the wrong password. Then after inputting the email and password, if you press enter, if you hit enter, then it will allow you to also log in. Like this could be also the acceptance criteria, by the way.
Yeah, that would be
Okay.
part of the prerequisite, which is already here. It's a
uh
valid account if it's already past these steps, and then the rest is just log in.
no, like to log in, right, like you have to give the email and password, right? So
Only
I'm
email and
saying like,
password.
sorry.
Yeah, only email and password.
Yeah,
And
only
then
email and password. So that's the thing I was saying, that in the acceptance criteria you could say, you could write there that I should be able to, or I should be able to give the registered or what is it say, verified email and password. Then it could be one. Then another could be like after input the email and password, if I press hit enter, then it will allow me to log in. Then seller should not be able to
I
log
think
in
that would be
with.
another user story. Should not be able
Mm,
to, right?
no, like no, that it could, you should not be like for the like for this different, like for the only single task you don't need to write down a user story, right? Like this one is just for like the your developer will just add a validation there, that if you put wrong email, that it will stop you there, so you can write in one user story. Yeah, some project they also write different user stories. Some project they just try to cover in one user story, so it's fine. Okay.
Okay.
But in the acceptance criteria, try to, I was trying to say that in acceptance criteria, uh, try to give more information, so that by reading this criteria, your developer, your tester, they can easily understand that okay, what I have to do here. Okay. So this is actually the real advantage of the acceptance criteria, because as I said before, that when you will write a user story, you have to always keep on your mind that my user story will be a like or like it will be reviewed by managers, then my whole team members will work on this user story. So I have to write the user story like that way. Okay. Okay, then rest of the things you say, that API specification, API endpoint, HTTP method, post, payload. So yeah, that's good.
And is it okay to have like long acceptance criteria? It's fine.
Sorry.
The acceptance criteria part, is it okay if it's like a long one?
Yeah, fine. Like if you have multiple acceptance criteria, if you have a long acceptance criteria, you can add there. Like some in some user story they also add the like what will be inside the placeholder. Like in the placeholder, it should be written like enter your email. In the password field, the in the placeholder, it should be written enter your password. So some users they also mention this part. So it's really, it helps to the developer mainly. So they can
Uh,
easily understand like, okay, what I
I'm
have to do
trying
here.
to ask if the acceptance criteria is long, it's like a long, long process. The story is long. Do we split the story and create another one, or we just stick with that story?
Now, as it is related with this one, so you can just add the information in this one. You don't need to like do for every single step. You don't need to create different user story.
Yeah.
But yes, if you see that, okay, for this, the like it need more effort. Okay, for this criteria or for these steps, it need more effort. Then you can just simply separate this into another user story. This is the
Because
thing you have to like.
I'm just
Yeah, go on.
thinking of my story, create
Mm-hmm.
order in that you do
Mm-hmm.
so many things from start to end. First, you
Mm-hmm.
put in the card, and then you create your address. You put all the address information. You put the payment information. It's a long, long
Mm-hmm.
process,
Mm-hmm.
and it's like a long list of acceptance criteria when I did. So
Mm-hmm.
that was just one story. Is that okay? Everything in
Yeah.
there?
Yeah, like in for submit your order, for submitting the order there, you should, you have to give a lot of information. So like, yeah, you can, it's not a big deal basically. It's not like that, okay, like as I have to give so many information, so that I so if you break in the middle of the information that, okay, for in this user story I will only give the address, I will only give the name, I will only give the like what it calls the product name, suppose,
Yeah.
and another
What?
user story will give another information, so your developer will be confused. Okay, so like he will create separate pages for that, separate APIs for that.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. So for here, so like then you can add more user stories uh for the campaign. So I think if you try with the token we show you, I mean in the uh workshop I shared that in that backtracking team2 at gmail.com, that credential you can use and you can try that if you can create the campaign. Okay.
I'll show you. Hold on. Where is it? Anyone? No, that's not. Look, this is not working. Did you see it?
Can you try to go with some other image and just try to change things?
I did do that. I did go with a different image before, but it doesn't work. And if this doesn't work, I can't move on to the next user stories.
Okay. Oh, wait, 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 hold on. So okay, can I right click on there, right click, inspect, click on the network. Now click on the create.
Uh, create.
I mean the create campaigns, that button, create button.
Oh,
Okay. Okay, it's showing the 404. Click on this red one, that create, right side. On the right side, you can see there. Yeah, click there. Okay, so it's saying 404
it's
not
not
found.
found.
Okay. Okay. Go, yeah, response headers is scroll down, scroll more, go more. What is the response headers? Click on the response. Okay, please provide start time. Oh,